Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and export any critical keys to. Reg files so you can revert. Once done, reboot into safe mode to avoid third-party interference and ensure Registry Editor can run. Make sure you're using an administrator account. If you're locked out, enable the built-in administrator from advanced startup options. These steps prevent data loss and give you a clean environment to repair the registry without background services altering keys. You now focus on permissions and missing components. Open Regedit in safe mode and navigate to the problematic key. Right-click, select permissions, and assign ownership to administrators, giving full control so edits apply. Next, run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore Windows components. This repairs DLLs that Registry Editor depends on. If Registry Editor still fails, re-register supporting DLLs with regsver32 for advapi32 and related libraries to restore function. You finish by validating and restoring stability. First, import your exported reg files selectively or roll back using the system restore point if an edit causes problems. This undoes mistakes quickly. Once stable, scan Event Viewer and Regedit logs to confirm no recurring access denied or DLL errors. If problems persist despite correct permissions and file repairs, perform an in-place upgrade repair to rebuild Windows components without losing apps and data. 1. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.